Hey guys, it's Jeremy with JSCR Custom Knives. Today we're going to be on installment number 4 of the Which Knives Should I Make series, where you, the viewer, vote on all the different aspects of a knife as if you were ordering a knife from me custom made. If you haven't seen the other 3 videos, click the eye in the upper right hand corner to be taken to the first video. But today we're going to continue working on a set of 3 throwing knives, getting them ready for heat treat. Enjoy!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright guys, in this first part right here, we're just clamping the knives together and grinding the edges so that everything lines up nice and smooth. Here I'm just clamping to make sure that they all stay together so that, I don't ruin all the cleaning up that I just did. We're basically just grinding all the edges to make sure that they're all the same size and shape. We're trying to make them look like one homogeneous piece of steel. And here we get some really nice shots of my arm. This is what happens when you are your own cameraman and you don't check your shot. Look at that awesome arm. Alright, in this section, now that we've got them all basically the same shape, we are refining the shape to make it look like the knife shape that we want it to be. That's just me removing the burr that's caused when, grinding like this. Another one of those great camera angles, courtesy of being my own cameraman. This one, I put the camera on the chair and didn't realize that it was turning out all Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas looking. But I don't know, kind of liked it, so I kept it in there. But at this point, I am cleaning up all the blemishes and everything on the surface of all three knives individually, now that I have them exactly the same shape. This is a 30-minute long picture right here. This is when I was doing most of the cleaning up of the surfaces of the knives, but accidentally took a picture instead of hit play, or instead of hitting record on the video camera. My wife decided to come and help me out with the video camera, since apparently I keep setting up stupid shots where I can't see what's going on. And then we have all three same size, same shape, and surfaces ground basically, you know, clean. It's good enough for preheat treat. And here we're adding on the bevels. With these knives, we're just going to be adding just basically like a cosmetic bevel. It helps it taper down to the end, I guess, to help it stick into whatever you're throwing it at. But they will not be sharp on the sides like a regular knife. Now to mark out extremely precisely where I'm going to be placing the pinholes. Now I'm using that first one that I drilled the holes in as a guide to drill the other three. Didn't come out perfectly straight, but they're close enough. Now we're going to widen up that hole on the end. Not sure what this hole would be called on a throwing knife. On a regular knife, you either call it a a lanyard hole or a thong hole. And there we have it, finished product, ready for heat treat. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Today we got all 3 knives of the same size and shape, got rid of any major surface blemishes, added bevels, and drilled some holes. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in the next video we'll be heat treating all 3 knives, then going over options and voting on what we'll do for the finishing work. That's it for this video, so I'm going to shut up now.